All. Good afternoon all. Today we are going to see some of the online information resources which you can use for reference purpose for studying your syllabus. Okay, for your preparation of final exam. The resources which we are going to see today are Enlist, NDLI, Shodh Ganga, Shodh Gangotri, DOAJ, DOAB, ERIC, and school textbooks. First one is Enlist. Enlist is National Library and Information Service Infrastructure for Scholarly Content. It is jointly run by the UGC Infonet, InfluNet Center, and INDEST AICT Consortium. It has more than 135,000 ebooks and more than 6,000 e-journals. We will go to the Enlist site. I have already created a user ID and password. I think all have received it. You all have given me feedback about that. You all have received your user ID and password for Enlist?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Okay, thank you. See, from here you can log into the Enlist. This is the Enlist website. You can log in from here. Enter your user ID. I have logged in, okay. So for searching Enlist, you can click here. Search window is there. You can enter any keyword. I will enter inclusive education, okay. Then click search. See, these are the resources which are available under the term inclusive education. These are the sub-subjects where this term is being used. You can refine your search by education. It will list the education sub-subjects which has the term inclusive education, okay. If you want to access this resource, click here. See, this is the resource which you can access. See, online access is given here. Click here to view. You can read it online. You can download the book. For reading online, click on read online. You can read the book online. See, and you can navigate pages, turn the pages. You can download the book, but for some books it will ask for Adobe digital edition. Books are accessible for the reading from Adobe digital edition. I have already downloaded, therefore it is not asking for it. From here you can download the book. You can select the period for accessing this downloaded book. You can download the book, okay. We will again go back. Again, some filter options are given. You can access only ebooks under this term, inclusive education. You can filter your search by only for accessing ebooks only. For conference proceedings, you can filter your search by languages also. Language. Only English language articles or the ebooks will be displayed under the term inclusive education. Okay. You got the idea how to search?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will see the e-resources which are provided in the ENLIST. E-journals. Uh, these are the publishers which provide e-journals for the database ENLIST. American Institute of Physics, Annual Reviews, Economic and Political Weekly, Indian Journals, Institute of Physics, JSTOR, Oxford University Press, Royal Society of Chemistry, H.W. Wilson, Cambridge University Press, and ebooks are provided by the Cambridge Books Online, eBraille Library, EBSCOhost Net Library, Hindustan Book Agency, then Institute of South East Asian Studies, Oxford Scholarship, Springer eBook, Sage Publications, Taylor Francis ebooks, My Library McGraw Hill, then South Asia Archives and World eBook Library. This is the ENLIST. I have already given you all the user ID and password. So for preparing for your exam, you can access this database. You got the idea about ENLIST?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You were able to log in to ENLIST when I had sent you all the email. Some students,
Yes, ma'am.
but I had.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. We will go to the next information source. Next one is NDLI. It is National Digital Library of India. It is developed by Ministry of Human Resource Development. National Digital Library of India is useful for all students at all levels. It is useful for teachers, researchers, librarians, professionals, differently able students, students which are preparing for their entrance exam, and lifelong learners. More than 5 crore 2 lakhs 53,589 books, resources, information resources are available in National Digital Library of India. Okay. We will go to the National Digital Library of India now. I have created your user ID and password for National Digital Library of India also. You all have got your user ID and password by your email. So National Digital Library of India can be searched by the type of resource. See, these are the type of resources which are available in the ENLIST. Text resources are available, videos, images, audio, presentations, then simulation, animation, application. This type of resources are available in National Digital Library of India. You can browse by subject. There are 3 levels given for browsing by subject. See, this is the first level. If I take social science, it will show you all social science broad category resources. Then in social science, I can take economics, second level. It will show the resources which are available in the subject economics. Third level, again labor economics is there. Then your searches get narrow. Okay, again you can restrict your search by access restrictions. Some of the resources are provided by National Digital Library of India. Some are openly accessible. Some are accessible by paid resources. Some are authorized. Some are limited. By author also you can you can filter your searches by educational degree also. If you are doing your PhD, you can refine your search. For PhD, for preparing for your PhD, these are the resources which you can refer for your study, your difficulty level, then your educational level, file format. language. These are the languages where this is economics and labor subject is available. Learning resource type. See, I have selected my level as PhD students. Therefore, it is showing only synopsis and thesis, because PhD students need synopsis and thesis for writing their literature review. Okay. Then by source, from which source the information source is available. By content type. Okay. You can browse by the source also. See, these are the various agencies which are providing information sources to National Digital Library of India. List is big. It is a big list. See, alphabetical list is provided. See, if I want to go for CBSE board, these are the sources provided for the CBSE board. Again, you can filter your search from this left corner. Okay. See, these are the sources. Alphabetical. Again, IRIC is also there. We are going to see IRIC also. Hindavi, High Court, Karnataka resources. IIT resources. These are all the agencies, all the publishers, institutes which are providing information sources to this National Digital Library of India. It is nothing but a gateway. It is a kind of directory where all the resources are available at one umbrella, under one umbrella. See, PubMed, Rekha. Then Sage journals are also there. SCRT, Kerala, Telangana. Swayam resources are there. Vidya Prasarak Mandal, Vidyasagar University. Some universities are also providing information sources to this National Digital Library of India. Then learning resource. There are many learning resources which are available in this National Digital Library of India. If you want to see only audio books, you can click here. See, only audio books will be listed under this category. So if you want to filter by subject, I want to see audiobooks under the subject technology. Then I have filtered my search. It will show audiobooks under the subject technology. This way you can filter your searches also for this learning resource type. See, educational games are also there. These are the educational games which are available. This is openly accessible. You all are understanding, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. See, this is available. You can download, you can print. All the facilities are given. This is the National Digital Library of India. Simple search facility is also there. I will go to the home page. See, this is the simple search facility. I will enter the term educational evaluation. I will just simply click on the search option. See, these are the information resources available for the term educational resource. See, you can see first one, educational evaluation, distance educational evaluation. So source is given, site CRX. Then it is research article. It is for UG and PG students, and it is openly accessible. This sign is for open access. Okay. Again, filter options are there. You can filter as per your requirement. Again, you can filter as per the content type. If you want to have only presentations, it will show only presentations. So in this way, National Digital Library of India is a good source for searching information sources, because the access to libraries is not there now due to this COVID-19 situation. Okay, we will now go to the next one. If you have any doubt in between, you can ask. Next one is Show the Ganga. Now, what is Show the Ganga? Show the Ganga is the repository of Indian electronic thesis and dissertations. It is set up by the InfluMNet Center. Open access facility is provided to users. Around 2,77,475 theses from universities are uploaded in this database. Now, what is thesis? A thesis is the research report which you submit when you complete your PhD. Okay. So this is the repository of thesis which are submitted by the PhD students. Why I am showing you all this? So it can be useful for you when, if you are planning for PhD, if you wish to do it in your future. So therefore I want to show this resource, because it will be helpful for you to prepare for your literature review. This is the website of the Show the Ganga. Is it visible?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, this is the website of the Show the Ganga. You can search by the university, departments. It is loading. It is taking time. See, these are the universities and departments which have provided their PhD thesis to this National Digital Repository. See, department wise list is given, university wise list is given. Okay, Acharya Nagarjuna University. You can browse by the date of upload date. See, by date it is showing you all the thesis which are uploaded on this website. If I want to see this resource, I can click and it will show you all the data related to this thesis. Okay. This is the citation details for this thesis. See, for this thesis, all the files will be uploaded according to their format. First title will be there, then declaration by the research scholar, certificate, then acknowledgement, executive summary, as per the data provided by the research scholar. We will take another one. This is the thesis which is available. These are the details of the thesis: title, researcher, then guide, keywords. See, if I want to access chapter 1, I will have to just click here, open or view. It will load the chapter on one of the particular thesis. It will take time to load. You can download it. You can save it for your reference. This is the Show the Ganga website. It will take time to load. For simple search, you can enter any keyword here. Language. Then advanced search facility is there. Subject search facility is also there. After entering a keyword here, it will load all the thesis which has the keyword language in their title for your reference. See, it has loaded. This site is always slow. See, these are the thesis which has the keyword language. And same way you can just click on the title and access this thesis. Okay. We will go to the PPT. You understood Show the Ganga? Okay. Next one is Show the Gangotri. It is also related to your PhD research. Show the Gangotri is the repository of Indian research in progress. The students who have registered for the PhD can submit their synopsis or the research proposal on this website. The objective behind this website is to create awareness among the students of research that which are the subjects on which the research is going on in the country, and main intention is to avoid the plagiarism. So open access facility is given for this source also. We will go to the Show the Gangotri site. This is the Show the Gangotri site. You can just enter any keyword. If I take law. See. It will list out all the synopses which are there with the term law. See. A critical study of the concept of jurist for the purpose of appointing them as judges. This is the title where the keyword law is being used. Okay. Again, department wise hits are also given. Department of law and all. This site also you can browse by university, by issue date, by the name of the researcher, by the titles, by the keywords. If you want to see the researchers who are doing the research in the country. See, these are the students who have registered, who are doing their research work in our India. Okay, alphabetical list is given. You can also find out from here. Suppose D, under the term alphabet D. These are the research scholars which are doing their PhD. This is the website of Show the Gangotri. Same way you can access this. If I want to access this synopsis, I will click. See, this is the synopsis which is available. PDF file will be there. Just click on the PDF file and you can access this synopsis. You can download, you can print, because it is openly accessible to all the students. You understood Shodh Gangotri?
Yes, ma'am.
And why Shodh Ganga and Shodh Gangotri? For doing your PhD, you have a second chapter which covers literature review, where you have to give some of the resources related to your topic, where this your research area has been covered or not. You have to submit your literature review related to your topic. For that, you can access this Indian repositories where completed PhD thesis and synopsis are uploaded, and you can give the references in your research report. Also, you can you will be able to know that whether your interested subject area for the research is covered or not. So therefore, accessing these sites will be very helpful for arriving at the subject or the topic for your research. Okay, therefore I have purposely showed you this both sites. Next one is DOAJ. What is DOAJ? It is Directory of Open Access Journals. It is developed by Lund University, Sweden. It provides access to high quality open access peer reviewed journals. It has more than 15,238 journals which are available from 134 countries. More than 52 lakhs 93,603 articles are there in this directory of open access journals. We will go to the site. This is the directory of open access journals. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, simple search facility is there. Okay, I want to find out about language. If I want to find out about history, we will take new term, history. This site has only journals, not ebooks. So see, these are the searches related to term history. And always full text will be available. See, if I want to see this article, I can just click full text. It will load the article and you can download it. So this is the article. PDF. Full text is available. You have to click on PDF and you can download. You can download the file. Okay. Again, it is a directory. See, we were on the site DOAJ. It has taken us to some other website. It has just linked the sources which are openly accessible. You can browse by subjects. See, these are the subjects which are available. Statistics is given here. Agriculture, bibliography, education. Under the term, under the subject education, how many sources are available? You can just click here and all the resources related to the term education, subject education will be there. You can again refine your search by narrower subjects, special aspects of education, then medicine, sports, history of education. If you want to just want to see the journal articles which have the history of education, then these are the articles which have the history of education related journal articles. This is available in other language, so therefore it is asking for the English. or the Portuguese. It will translate to English and then you can download the book. See, it has loaded. You can download and you can access the article. Okay. This is the directory of open access journals. You can see articles. 7 journals are there. Article search is there. 7 journals under the education are there. You can refine by publisher also. Country of publisher. Various filters are given. You can narrow your search according to your requirements. This is the directory of open access journals. Okay, we will go to the next one. Next is directory of open access books. It is also freely accessible. It is developed by DOAB Foundation at the National Library of the Org. It provides free access to ebooks. More than 31,401 academic peer-reviewed journal books are available from 404 publishers. We will go to the website of the directory of open access books. This is the website of the directory of open access books. See. If you want to browse this directory, you can browse by title, you can browse by subject. These are the subject covered under this directory. You can browse by publisher. See, these are the publishers which contribute to this directory. Open access books are provided to this directory. See, n number of publishers are there. If you want to search any book, say if I want to take geography, for preparing my lesson plan, I want to see some of the books related to geography. See, these are the books related to geography. Again, you can filter your search by publisher. See, Springer Nature has 65 ebooks related to geography. You can refine by language. I want to see only English language ebooks. Then it will load only English language ebooks. If I want to see this, the imaginary geography of Hollywood cinema. I want to access this resource. Just click on free access. It will download the ebook. Abstract is also given. You can just read the abstract and you can then decide whether you want to download this book or not. This option will be there, but all the books, buy the book option will be there, but all the books are accessible freely in this website. See, I have downloaded and I can open this book. Book is visible. See, imaginary geography. I can read this book for my reference purpose. This is the directory of open access books. Okay. Have you all understood open directory of open access books? Some more time. Next is ERIC. This is also related to education field. ERIC is Education Resource Information Center. It is sponsored by the Institute of Education Sciences of the US Department of Education. It has more than 1.5 million records and links to hundreds of thousands of full text documents dating back to 1966. It includes journals, articles, books, conference papers, curriculum guides, policy papers, etc. We will go to the ERIC website. This is the website of the ERIC. See, if I want to search for English language, search. See, these are the articles, resources available under the term English. You can again refine your search. If you want to see only related articles in the year 2020, you can refine by 2020. You can then access by the source. If you want to see by English language teaching source, you can refine your search. You can refine by author, by publication type. See, there are 122 journal articles related to English keyword, research reports, then reports, descriptive research reports, then speeches. Then you can again, here educational level is also given. You can refine by higher education, post-secondary, secondary, high school, the level, for the level which you want to have the information. You can refine your search by higher education. For accessing this resource, for this site, some of the sources are full text, some are not. So it will be shown here. See, this PDF file is available for full text, download full text. This is providing full text access. Okay. So you can just click and you can access this information source. Okay, you can download same way. Download facility is there. You can download and keep it for reference purpose. I have downloaded. This is the ERIC database. Now, what is the use of this ERIC database? Again, if you are doing any research project, if you want to write any research article, you can get many of the uh, articles related to your research topic from this website, because this is again a directory where all the data from all the world is linked to this website. All the research articles, all the scholarly contents are linked to this website. So under one umbrella, you can find out many information for your research topic. So this website is also very good for preparing for your research, or for writing any research article, or for preparing for any research project. You have, I think, action research in this year. For that also you can refer this site. So therefore I shared information about this website. Okay, we will go to the next. School textbooks. I have already given you all school textbooks. I have downloaded SSC board school textbooks, even CBSE board textbooks also I have downloaded, and I have given you all the Word file, PDF file I have shared you on the WhatsApp, from where you can directly download your school textbook. But still I wish to show you this both the websites. This is eBalbharati is for SSC board textbooks. See, year-wise collection is given. From 2006, they have the collection of SSC board textbooks. They have given class-wise collection also. Then medium, English medium, Marathi medium, then again subject. So how to use this website? If you want to see 5th standard books, click on 5th standard. it will take time to load. See, these are the 5th standard textbooks. You can refine by language. Only English medium textbooks you want. If you want to have only mathematics, then it will give you mathematics book. Just click on download and you can download the book. Okay, we will go to the NCERT site. This is the NCERT site from where you can access books for your CBSE board. See, from publications, you can directly go to PDF standard 1 to 12. But here you have to first select the class. If I am taking 6th standard, then you have to select your subjects, then select the title of the book. But this website provides you chapter wise collection. Therefore, I have downloaded all the chapters. I have created one PDF file and I have sent you all. So your efforts will be little less for accessing this. But then again, flip book facility is also there for NCERT books. Again, select any one standard, select the subject. Social science has many parts. Any one, our environment, if I am selecting. If I want to see chapter 7 of this book, see, flip book facility is there. Like a printed book, you will be able to view the book. Okay. Then again, they also provide you one app, that is ePathshala. You can download it from on your mobile for accessing this CBSE board textbooks. Okay. This is all what I wanted to share with you all. Some of the website I have shared, but I will be sharing one feedback from this for this session. So please submit your feedback so that I can again go through that and I will be able to add something or will improve something. But questions, if anything you want to ask. Questions. Anyone is having question? All are there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You could understand whatever I taught you today?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So if any questions, please ask, or else we will end the session because you all need to have your lunch also. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank
Please
you, ma'am.
provide your feedback.
Thank you,
I
ma'am.
will be posting a feedback link on your WhatsApp group. So please post it. Please give your feedback.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
I am ending the meeting. Thank you all. Thank you so much.